Hi students, welcome to the class. Now we are going for next question under joint venture. Those who have not visited my previous videos, go for first video and second video. See, this is the question. It deals with almost all kind of adjustments. So when I took this question, and one more, this is not a question paper problem. See the question. Venkat and Sunil entered into a joint venture. So there are two co-venturers. One is Venkat, one more is Sunil, and one more. This part is not visible properly, so I am going to read it out. Venkat and Sunil entered into his joint venture. The contract price was rupees 25 lakh. Contract price is how much here? 25 lakh. Payable rupees 20 lakh in cash. So those out of those 25 lakh, 20 lakh payable in cash and balance in equity shares. So here. So what is the contract price here? The contract price is 25 lakh. So 20 lakh we are paying through by cash. So remaining amount how much is the amount? Remaining amount is 5 lakh. Those 5 lakh amount they are paying through by equity shares. Next one. Venkat deposited 6 lakh and Sunil rupees 3 lakh. That is amount deposited by co-venturers. Venkat is 6 lakh, Sunil is 3 lakh. Next one. They purchase materials for rupees 3 lakh. They purchase means they, not either Venkat or Sunil. They means both. They purchase materials for rupees 3 lakh for cash and 10 lakh from Amar. We are purchasing some kind of see, at the time of purchasing, either we can purchase on cash basis or either on purchase on credit basis. When come to this question, they given we purchase materials for rupees 3 lakh for cash. Okay. Then and rupees 10 lakh from Amar. Who is Amar here? Amar is a kind of creditor here because we are purchasing from that person. From the Amar, how much is the amount? That is 10 lakh. But at the end of the completion of the project, we need to repay for the Amar how much of amount? That is 10 lakh. Next one, full stop. They paid 4,50,000 for wages and 70,000 for other expenses. They pay means they miss both. They paid 4,50,000 for wages and 70,000 for other expenses. It's a kind of expense paid by both. That is joint bank. Next one. Venkat and Sunil supplied materials rupees 2 lakh and 80,000 respectively. Both Venkat and Sunil, they are supplying some kind of materials. How much Venkat is supplying? 2 lakh and Sunil is supplying 80,000 respectively. That is individual co-venturer. Individual co-venturer as supplying some kind of materials. That is, we need to go for joint venture to co-venture account. Next one. Architect fees paid 10,000 by Venkat. That is architect fees. It's an expenses paid by individual co-venturer. So what is your entry then? If any kind of expense paid by individual co-venturer, entry is joint venture account data to co-venturer account. If it is paid with both, joint venture account data to joint bank account. Next one. The contract was completed. This is the information before. This one, the contract was completed and the price was stipulated. So which price was stipulated? That is price with regard to what? 25 lakh. He agreed, right? He agreed to pay that 25 lakh. Out of those 25 lakh to 20 lakh through by cash, 5 lakh through by equity shares. But here there are some kind of changes here. So which are the changes here? Amar was paid 9,80,000 for his settlement. Who is Amar? Amar is a kind of creditor. From the Amar, how much of products we bought? That is from the amount we purchased. How much of amount? That is 10 lakh from the amount. But at end, for that Amar, we paid only 9,80,000. I purchased it from you, value is 10 lakh. Assuming that this pen value is 10 lakh. But for this 10 lakh value, I paid only 9,80,000 for you people. So remaining 20,000, it's profit or loss for me. It's actually a kind of profit for me. Actually value is 10 lakh, but I paid only 9,80,000. Remaining 20,000 is profit for me. Like it's like a discount for me. Next one. Venkat agreed to take up a shares at valuation of rupees 4,40,000. See, this is important. Actually, in this problem, important is one is creditor information, one more is with regard to your shares information. When come to Amar, we already discussed. Venkat agreed to take up a shares at valuation of rupees 4,40,000. Which shares? See, he told that he paying 5 lakh through by equity shares. Actually, he has to pay how much of amount? 5 lakh. But we agreed to take over only for how much of amount? Only 4,40,000 we received. What about remaining 60,000? Remaining 60,000 is a kind of loss for us, because actually he has to pay how much? Through by equity shares he has to pay 5 lakh for us, but we took for value at a valuation of only for rupees 4,40,000. So remaining 60,000 is a kind of loss for me. One entry is profit, one entry for loss. I think we discussed it. How to go with the profit, then how to go with the losses here. How much? 4,40,000 by Venkat, means individual co-venture. Next one. Sunil took over material for rupees 7,000. That is any kind of asset taken over by partner, co-venture account to joint venture. Prepare necessary ledger accounts when separate set of books are maintained. Here also we need to prepare ledger accounts, but I am not going for directly into the ledger accounts. Go for journal entries as well as go for at the same time we are going to prepare ledger accounts as well. See here, Venkat deposited rupees 6 lakh and Sunil rupees 3 lakh. So what is this entry? That is entries joint bank account data to co-venture account. Which are the two accounts? One is joint bank account, one more is co-venture account. When come to co-venture, I need to write by joint bank account. How much Venkat deposited? Venkat deposited 6 lakh, whereas Sunil deposited 3 lakh. Next one, opposite joint bank, it will become 2 Venkat, then 2. How much Venkat? 6 lakh. Sunil 3 lakh. First entry over. Next one, they purchased, means they purchased materials for rupees 3 lakh for cash and 10 lakh from Amar. For that we need to divide 2. They purchased materials for rupees 3 lakh for cash. They in the sense both, that is cash moving out of the business, that is joint venture account data to joint bank account. How much of amount? 3 lakh through by cash and 10 lakh from Amar. 10 lakh from Amar, same, that is joint venture account data to joint venture account data to Amar account. Or else you can go for combined entry joint venture account data to joint bank account to Amar account. So which are the accounts? We will go for joint venture account, then joint bank account. When come to joint venture account data to joint venture account data to joint bank account. How much amount through by cash? Through by cash we purchased 3 lakh. How much through by credit? Who is the creditor here? That is Amar account. How much the amount? That is 10 lakh is an creditor. Next one more, joint venture account data to joint bank. So go for by joint venture account. How much the amount? That is 3 lakh. Then one more, joint venture account data to Amar account. We wrote to Amar account, but here there is no Amar account here. For that open one more account, that is Amar account. And come to Amar account, to Amar it will become by joint venture. So much the amount, that is 10 lakh. Usually you need to prepare only 3 accounts. One is joint venture, one is co-venture, one more is joint venture account. But in rare situations we need to open this kind of accounts. Next one, they paid 4,50,000 wages and 7,000 for expenses, for some kind of other expenses. Who paid? That is they paid, means they in the sense both, that is joint bank account. They paid, it's a kind of expenses. When come to expenses I need to write, that is joint venture account data to joint bank account. And come to joint venture I need to write to joint bank account. So what is the value? One is 4,50,000 and the one more is 7,000. that is 5 lakh 20,000. Opposite, that is by joint venture, same 5 lakh 20,000. Next one, Venkat and Sunil supplied materials for rupees 2 lakh and 80,000 respectively. That is Venkat and Sunil supplied materials. That is what is the entry now. That is joint venture account data to co-venture account. When come to joint venture, enter it to Venkat account because they both are supplying Venkat and Sunil account. How much Venkat is supplying? Venkat is supplying for his value is 2 lakh. How much Sunil is supplying? Sunil is supplying is 8,000. One more. How come one more? Joint venture to co-venture. To co-venture it will become by joint venture, that is 2 lakh and 80,000. Next one. The contract was completed. And the price was stipulated. From this how the question will start. The problem will start. See, Amar was paid only 9,80,000 for his settlement. For the Amar, how much we need to pay? For Amar we need to pay rupees 10 lakh rupees of amount. But we paid only how much of amount? Only 9,80,000. What about remaining amount? Remaining amount for us is a kind of profit or loss. We have to pay 10 lakh, but we paid only 9,80,000. Remaining 20,000 is the kind of profit for us. Profit we need to record in credit side. Losses we have to record under debit side. That is by Amar account. So how much is the profit amount? Profit amount is 20,000. How come 20,000? That is 10 lakh minus of 9,80,000. Remaining 20,000 is profit. He paid how much of amount now? He paid 9,80,000. If you are paying, cash is coming in or going out? Cash is coming in. When cash is coming in, we need to pass some kind of entry. Sorry, when cash is moving out of the business because we are paying. Entry is fifth one. Amar account data to joint bank account. Amar account data to joint bank account. How much? 9,80,000. When come to here to joint bank, it will become by Amar account. So what is the value? It is 9,80,000. Next one here, one more. By Amar, it will become what? To joint venture, that is 20,000. Journal entry, Amar account data to joint venture account. Next one. Venkat agreed to take up his shares at valuation of rupees 4,40,000. Who is taking over here? That is taken over by Venkat. Which one? That is shares. He is not taking over any kind of asset here. He is taking over some kind of the amount. He is taking over some kind of, that is shares. If you are taking over any kind of shares, entries. Who is taking over? That is who is taken over? That is Venkat. Entries. Venkat account data to equity shares account. This is the entry for taken over. But if you taken over any kind of asset, usual entry is what? That is co-venture account data to joint venture account. But he is not taking over any kind of asset here. He is taking over some kind of equity shares. Entry Venkat account data to equity shares. Then come to co-venture, I need to write to equity share. Who is taking over? That is Venkat. For so much of amount? For rupees 4,40,000. Even here also we are getting some kind of loss here. See, through equity shares, how much we have to get? That is 5 lakh rupees of amount. But we got only 4,40,000 from that person. So how much is loss for us? Loss is 60,000. So loss is comes under debit. That is to equity shares. That is 5 lakh minus of 4,40,000. Remaining how much is loss? Remaining loss is 60,000. Actually, we need to open one more account, that is equity share account. But here, because of no space on it, I'm going to prepare any kind of equity shares. But you can go for preparation of equity shares, you will get the same answer. To equity share, it will become by co-venture. How much? 4,40,000. Then come here, joint venture to equity share. Again, it will become by joint venture is 60,000. How much in credit side? 4,40,000 plus 60,000 is 5 lakh. Debit side, you will get. Wait. Next one. Sunil took over material for rupees how much? Sunil took over material for rupees 7,000. Any kind of asset taken over by co-venturer. So what is the entry? Co-venturer account data to joint venture account. That is co-venturer by Sunil account. Co-venturer account data to joint venture. Then come to here. By Sunil it will become to which taken over, that is Sunil. So what is the value? Value is 7,000. This is how the problem will go on. Here main problem is your equity shares. One more is for the creditor. Any kind of losses, debit. Any kind of profit, credit side. Then one more, here we listed one more transaction, that is see at beginning. They are going to pay how much of amount? 20 lakh through by cash and balance in equity shares. How much in balance in equity shares? That is 5 lakh. That is by joint bank. That is 20 lakh. And balance, that is by equity share 5 lakh. Now go for here. By equity share will become 2 joint venture 5 lakh. That's at 4 lakh 40 60. Even equity share also is going to be tagged. What you are getting difference here? We will transfer to co-venture, that is 2 co-venture account. Who are the co-venture? One is Venkat, one more is Sunil. So what is the ratio here? Ratio be given as 2:1 ratio. If not, go for 1:1 ratio. We are getting difference as 4,20,000. If you are dividing 4,20,000 into 2 by 3 and 4,20,000 into 1 by 3, you are getting answer 2,80,000 and 1,40,000. So total value is 25 lakh 90,000. Then this amount will move into 2 co-venture, it will become by joint venture. How much by joint venture? That is 2,80,000 and 1,40,000. Difference, I will take it as 2 joint bank account, that is balance and figure. Take it as balance and figure as joint bank account. $6,50,000, then 4,50,000. This balance amount will move into joint bank account. To joint bank it will become by Venkat by Sunil 6,50,000 and 4,50,000. So total value is 29 lakhs. This is what the problem is. Here important is your equity shares. Then one more is your creditor payment. If you are getting any kind of losses, go for debit side. Simply go for debit side. But you are getting losses, not the entire amount. If you are getting any kind of profits, go for the credit side. This is the problem deals with when separate set of books are maintained. In next video, we are going to discuss by using of the same entries, we are going to prepare the journal entries or ledger accounts when separate set of books are not maintained. Thank you.